What's up? Welcome back. Got two solid algebra problems lined up for you today. Alright, problem number 1. If 4 to the power of x plus 1 equals 8 to the power of x minus 1, find x. Here is the big idea for these exponent problems. Get the same base on both sides. Let's take a closer look. Both 4 and 8, they've got something in common. They're both powers of 2. 4 is equals 2 squared and 8 equals 2 cubed. So let's rewrite the whole equation using that. 2 squared to the power of x plus 1 equals 2 cubed to the power of x minus 1. Now power rule. When you raised a power, hey, please subscribe me, to a power, you multiply the exponents. M multiply n. So this becomes 2 the power of 2 times x plus 1 equals 2 to the power of 3 times x minus 1. Same basis on the both sides now. So the exponents have to be equal to. Then 2 times x plus 1 equals 3 times x minus 1. Let's simplify and distribute it out. 2 times x plus 2 equals 3 times x minus 3. Add 3 to both sides. Plus 3. 2 times x plus 5 equals 3 times x. Subtract 2x from both sides. X equals 5. Let's check it out and plug it back to the original equation. 4 to the power of 5 plus 1 equals 8 to the power of 5 minus 1. So 4 to the power of 6 equals 8 to the power of 4. Both sides comes out to 4096. So x equals to 5. Alright, next one is a little trickier. Problem number 2. If 9 to the power of x equals 3 to the power of y plus 2 and x minus y equals 1, find x. Now, just like we learned in the last problem, first step, get those bases matching. 9 is really just 3 squared. So let's rewrite the equation with that. 3 squared to the power of x, please subscribe, equals 3 to the power of y plus 2. Then we can write 3 to the power of 2 times x equals 3 to the power of y plus 2. Same basis now. So the exponents have to match up it together. We can write 2 times x equals y plus 2. Alright, now let's look back at the original problem. We have an extra equation. X minus y equals to 1. X minus y equals to 1. Let's solve that for y. Subtract x from both sides. And minus y equals minus x plus 1. Divided both sides by negative 1. Then y equals x minus 1. Now let's plug that into our exponent equation. Then we can write 2 times x equals x minus 1 plus 2. Then 2 times x equals x plus 1. Subtract x from both sides. Then x equals to 1. And since y equals to x minus 1, and when x equals to 1, then y equals to 1 minus 1, 0. Now let's check it into our original equation here. We have 9 to the power of 1 equals 3 to the power of 0 plus 2. Both sides equals 9. We're good, x equals to 1.